known as a place where the rainforest meets the sea, Sooke is a vibrant community nestled in the stunning coastline of Vancouver Island. Just 40 minutes outside of Victoria, Sooke is a popular seaside getaway that celebrates local artisans and offers a wide range of cafes and breweries. It's a self-contained community with excellent amenities that are easily accessible by bike from Victoria via the Galloping Goose Regional Trail. Cyclists will find paradise here with thrilling trails and challenging terrain. Hikers as well will enjoy the extensive parks and hiking trails to explore. What makes Sooke truly special are its natural wonders and access to nature. East Sooke Regional Park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and offers rich experiences, such as the 10-kilometer coast trail hike that provides stunning views of the coastline, including rare petroglyphs, beautiful beaches and cliffs, and an abundance of marine and wildlife. Whiffin Spit. This natural breakwater is a true paradise located just between the Strait of Juan de Fuca and the Sooke Harbor, and it offers a front row seat to observe a rich variety of marine and avian species in a natural habitat. In downtown Sooke, they have the Ed MacGregor Park, named after Sooke's first mayor. This gem of an oceanfront park offers lush gardens, an amphitheater, wheelchair-accessible trails, and the long boardwalk public pier. Sooke is an active and vibrant community that offers a great lifestyle in a picturesque setting. Whether you're seeking adventure, natural beauty, or a tight-knit community, Sooke has something special to offer you. My name is Greg Dirksen, and I'd love to take the opportunity to show you through this beautiful community.